Welcome back to Kings Valley Forge. It is 4th of July weekend currently when I'm filming this. We're going to do some patriotic stuff today. We're going to revisit the Stars and Stripes bottle opener. We're going to start that soon. Happy 4th of July. We're celebrating 250 years of independence. I'm going to try some newer techniques, and I'm going to try to make it better than I did the previous time, which was better than the previous time. So that's what we're doing. This is what we're going to be using. It is bar stock, flat bar stock. It is 1/4 inch by 1 inch bar stock. So you can see it's about yay big, thickness, whatever it may be. Yep, and we're going to be turning that into a bottle opener. Thanks for joining me. All right, punching the hole, just got done punching. So now we've got a hole in it, and then we're gonna start drifting it open. Oh, beautiful, for spacious skies, for amber waves of green, for purple mountains, majesty, above the fruited plains, America, sweet America. God shed His grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. Oh, beautiful, for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain, for purple mountains, majesty above the fruited plains. America, sweet America, God shed His grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood. From sea to shining sea. Gonna be a lot of patriotic themed singing apparently. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land and the home of the brave? Yeah. All right, now I'm making the little spot that we'll open up the bottle to catch the cap. And there you have it. Stars and Stripes bottle opener, customized to its new owner. And thank you for my very first sale. Thank you so much. Okay, there you have it. Stars and Stripes bottle opener, made fresh, customized to its new owner. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a happy 4th. See ya.